Most water sports start, well, in the water, but this one starts with a sprint, a toss, and just inches of water between you and the wave. Today, we are discovering why Dewey Beach is the destination for skimboarding, and I have Jason Wilson here with me. How you doing?
Good, I'm happy to be here with you.
Yes, I'm happy to have you. I'm so excited to learn about skimboarding, and from first glance, it does look a lot like surfing. So for those who've never seen it before, what are some of those distinct differences?
The main differences between skimboarding and surfing, starting with the boards, is that we don't have fins on the bottom of them like you see for surfboards.
Yes.
And also with the approach, you're starting running from the beach, sand, and gliding out into the waves.
Yes.
Whereas in surfing, you're paddling into the waves.
Right.
As you can see behind us here in Delaware, we have really good shore break.
Yes.
That's what makes it good for skimboarding.
Oh my
This is
God.
some of the best shore break in the country, and we're known as the East Coast skimboarding capital.
Yes. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know you guys were the East Coast skimboarding capital. That's amazing, but I can see why you guys.
That's what I've been told.
That's what we've been told, and that's what we're going with here on CoastLife. And I can see why, because this is really the perfect beach, it looks like, for skimboarding like this. So talk to me a little bit about this ZAP World Championship that's coming up, and what makes it so special.
Well, we're going into the 44th year.
Wow.
It was started by my father, Harry Wilson, so I inherited the event.
Yes.
A little reluctantly at first, but now I'm very proud to keep the family tradition alive.
Yes.
And have all these skimboarders here in Dewey Beach this weekend.
Oh.
So that's really how it got started, 1982. As a small, modest gathering. It wasn't the World Championships then.
Yeah.
It's grown into the largest skimboarding gathering competition in the world. And it's Dewey's longest running beach event.
Yes.
Second longest, it's the biggest contest in the world and the second longest running competition. So a lot of deep roots in history,
Yes.
a lot of skim culture here, and it all comes together this next weekend at the World Championships on McKinley Street. We've got the best riders, pro and amateur, from around the world coming out to show their stuff and see who's going to be crowned champion.
Yes. Oh my gosh, that really is incredible and something to definitely look forward to. So what can spectators kind of anticipate and expect to see when they're here?
Well, it's a great event for everyone. I want to start off by saying that you don't have to skimboard to enjoy the competition. Immediately, you're going to hear DJs playing music when you walk up on the beach.
Yeah.
You're going to see a lot of great people, just kind of celebrating the best stuff in the region, the waves, music. We have some vendors down there. Get to see some local art and products from some of our sponsors. And Dewey Beach anytime is a good time.
Oh,
so
yeah,
you throw
for
the World
sure.
Championships of skimming in there, you get a lot more skimboarders coming into town, and you can expect to see heats kicking off around 9 a.m. A heat is a round of competition, and they go until about 3 each day. It's free for the public. You don't have to pay to watch. You just come up and get a spot with your beach chair.
Yes.
And it runs until about Sunday at 5 p.m. where we conclude with an awards ceremony.
That is perfect. And you did mention that you can come to this event and meet and see a lot of great people. And one of those great people might even be Sydney Pizza, who is a professional skimboarder. So I'm actually going to pop in with her and see if I can put my skimboarding skills to the test. CoastLife, I am so excited to try skimboarding for the first time. But before I do, I have Sydney Pizza here with me. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm so excited. I literally cannot wait. But before we get into skimboarding, I want to talk to you a little bit about this. How did you first get involved with this?
With alley-oop. I was a little grom on the beach at like 4 years old and was chasing all these older guys around, including Jason. And when I was old enough, they're like, time to get you on a board, and it was love at first sight.
Before I could even think about hitting the water, Sydney broke everything down step by step. And trust me, there's a lot more technique to skimboarding than just tossing a board and hoping for the best.
We're gonna get you comfortable in your stance on the board, figure out which way to stand is better, and then we'll get you sliding basically from the top of the shoreline down into the water, balanced and steady.
Well, all of that sounds I can't tell if it sounds too complicated for me or not, but I'm glad that Kendall is the one that's going to be trying out all of those instructions to see if she can do a little bit of skimboarding action. But we'll see if she can when we get back. Well, CoastLife, before the break, we got some information about the upcoming skimboard competition in Dewey Beach, and our very own Kendall Gordon was given some instructions on really how to do skimboarding itself. So let's see if she learned anything, and we'll put her to the test.
Well, Sydney, I am so excited to get started. Should we hit the ocean?
Absolutely.
All right, perfect.
We started on dry land, first figuring out my stance, identifying my dominant side, and practicing the footwork. The goal? Step with my non-dominant foot, toss the board about a step ahead, then hop on with my dominant foot followed by the other. It definitely took a few tries, but once it clicked, it started to feel a whole lot more natural.
And I'm assuming that you've skimboarded here at Dewey Beach before, so why does this spot, why is it the perfect destination for you?
Oh man, well, in a technical standpoint, the waves break right on shore, and as any kind of skimboarder, professional, amateur, semi-professional, this is like a dream spot. We're known for our liners, which are waves that come in at an angle on the side, so you can ride them for blocks at a time, much like these guys are doing now. And then personally, this is where I grew up, so there's no better beach like home.
Yes, no, seriously, it's always better local. And talk to me a little bit about too, is there any tricks or moves that you're excited to see or do yourself at this competition coming up?
Oh yeah, this is the big one for me. This is at home turf, so we have people from all over the world coming in to do things that you see only on Instagram, only in crazy YouTube videos. So pros from Brazil, Mexico, Europe will be here, and I'm excited to do things I've been working on, but we'll keep them under wraps until the contest.
And this competition isn't just attracting local talent. Every summer, some of the world's best skimboarders make their way to Dewey Beach, bringing years of experience and some pretty incredible skills with them.
I'm from Brazil. I come here for, I think this is my third year coming here for the professional skimboarding event we're gonna have here in Dewey Beach. It's the third stop of the United Skim Tour. So we're here to have fun and skim some good waves.
And I stay in third place in Portugal now. And this contest I have a lot of energy for compete, and I'm really excited.
Some grew up here, some traveled thousands of miles to compete, but there's one thing every rider seems to agree on. There's something special about skimming right here in Dewey Beach.
You know, here in Dewey, the waves kind of vary from day to day, so it's really fun trying to just skim different types of waves because you never know what the contest is going to look like.
But ask any skimboarder what keeps them coming back, and you'll find it's about more than the competition. It's the feeling you get the second your board catches a wave.
I think skimming is really fun because you just get to run and drop the board and feel the ocean, the wave, and when you get a good one, it's really good. You know when you got it. I would just say who doesn't do it's missing a lot.
And if watching all of this has you thinking about giving skimboarding a try yourself, the pros say everyone has to start somewhere. Their biggest piece of advice?
For you try skimboard, I learned I watched a lot of clips in YouTube. It's really good, and you need to practice every day, you know. If you live far on the beach, you need to watch a lot of clips because when you come on the beach, you know what you need to do.
I would say to just give it your all every time you go out there because you're gonna fall, it's inevitable. So just keep pushing through it and keep trying new tricks.
Jason, I will say skimboarding is not for the weak, but it was a lot of fun meeting with Sydney. And so if people enjoyed watching you struggle a little bit and want to see more skimboarding in action, tell me one more time the details of this event.
August 7th, 8th, and 9th, that's this coming weekend. And that's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 8 to 3, McKinley Street in Dewey Beach. Just come on down, you'll see what's happening, and people will kind of direct you from there.
Perfect. Well, Jason, thank you so much for coming on today. I appreciate it.
Good job.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Yes, CoastLife, definitely stop by right here in Dewey Beach and see the pro skimboarders. It is so entertaining to watch, but it's also entertaining to watch from CoastLife, so stick around because we have more on the way.